In the figure above, lines P and Q are graphed on the xy plane. What is the x-intercept of line Q? The x-intercept of a line is just the point in which the graph intersects the x-axis. So in this case, it would be point Q, and then the x-intercept is just the x-coordinate of that point. So it would be this whole length over here. So we're trying to find the value of x. So this coordinate, point Q, has a coordinates x comma 0. The y coordinate is 0, and then this coordinate is just 0 comma 0. And then we know that these two lines are perpendicular because they form a right angle, and there's something special about perpendicular lines, more specifically about their slope. So we have two known coordinates for line P, so we could automatically find the slope. That's going to be change of y divided by change of x. Basically, you subtract the y coordinates and you divide it by the subtraction of the x coordinates. So I'm going to label these coordinates as x1, y1, and these coordinates as x2, y2. If we plug it in, that would be 12 minus 0 over 5 minus 0, so that would be 12 over 5. That's going to be the slope of line P. And then for a line to be perpendicular, its slope has to be the negative reciprocal of the original slope. So the slope of line Q would be negative, and then we flip this around, so it would be 5 over 12. The slope of line Q is just negative 5 over 12. And then I'm going to label these coordinates as x1, y1. Again, we plug it into the formula, the slope formula, change of y divided by change of x. The slope for line Q would be 12 minus 0 over 5 minus x. Set that equal to the slope of the line, negative 5 over 12. Those two values must be equal. So from there, we just solve for x. That's going to be 12 over 5 minus x is equal to negative 5 over 12. We cross multiply. That's going to give us 12 times 12 is 144. So that equal to negative 5 times 5 minus x. And now let's solve. So we distribute this. 144 is equal to negative 25 plus 5x. Add 25 on both sides. That's going to give us 169 is equal to 5x. Divide 5 on both sides. X is going to have to be equal to 33.8. And that is the answer.